So I wanted to make this video and just talk about the 4 things that you kind of need to have squared away and in place if you're going to launch a funnel right out the gate here. So when I first started doing this, I would do this backwards. I would totally do this backwards, and let me know if you've ever done the same type of thing. So we're having a little fun with this stick today here. I get way out there. That's good stuff. So when I first started, I would go and go inside the funnel builder and then just kind of like build it as I went, right? So let's just say I was using like a sales funnel, right? So I'd get to the sales page and then I would be like, okay, so the sales page headline has just got like a default kind of fill in the blank headline on the top there. So I would just go over to like my headline generator and kind of generate some headline and then paste it in there and then move to the next part, right? And the next part might be like the lead or the subhead or whatever, right? So I would go and go back to my copy builder, build some copy, put it into the sales funnel. So that was honestly the worst way to do it, the long way to do it, the wrong way to do it, right? So the first thing that you need to have squared away is the who, like who you're going after with your offer. You need to know your who as far as what type of audience and what your, who it is that's going to buy this product that you're thinking about putting out there, right? So once you've got that figured out, the next step is the actual offer itself. So what is it that you're going to sell? It's got to be written out, defined, what's involved, what are the deliverables, how much does it cost? Is there a basic version? Is there a deluxe version? What is the actual offer itself, right? So once you've got your offer kind of hammered out and figured out, that makes it, each step leads to the next step, right? Because the who, once you understand the who, you're going to know what kind of offer you need to create. Once you know the offer that you're going to create, and you've got it clearly defined and who it's for, then you can go and create your sales copy. So that's where you're going to go over to, like, say, your funnel scripts or whatever, plug in all this information because you've got it figured out. You know what the offer is, you know what the who is, you know what their desires are, their fears, the results that they want, the expectations they have, the questions that they have, the roadblocks that they've hit during their journey, right? So because you know all this stuff, you can fill it in so much faster and easier. So because you know everything that you need to know about the offer, now you can plug that in, you start generating all the sales copy that you need, and you know as far as your funnel map, you've got that mapped out, you know that you need 4 headlines, and you need a sales letter, and you need an upsell, and you need a VSL, and you need some emails, so you need all this stuff, but you plug it in, boom, you generate it. Now you go over to your funnel builder and start building out your sales funnel and plug it in there. And that's how the process goes, super fast and simple, and you don't waste time. But that's the 4-step process to launching a funnel as far as doing it the fastest way, the easiest way, and the right way. So don't do it backwards like I used to. Do it the right way, follow those 4 steps. I'll see you in the next video.